Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice, and I'm here to do my 24 and 25 week bump date, or 20, yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, something like that. So, in terms of update, there's not much to update on. She's doing good. I have to do her name reveal video. I'm going to do that pretty soon. And let's see. I went to my and bear with me, my light situation. I did the video before. Couldn't find the recording. The voice was gone. 10 minutes because I'm doing a baby buy as well, so bear with me. 24 weeks, I had a doctor's appointment. She's measuring on schedule. Heartburn is still the same. My breasts are getting bigger and heavy. She's getting big and heavy. Let's just cut the chase. We're done, okay? We're done. That's it. Alright, so let's just see. Let's just show the belly. Let me show you guys the belly. Belly from the front. From the side. This is belly from the side. Yeah. That's the belly from the side. This is the belly from the other side. And this is the belly from the front. Yeah. Baby buy this week. So I went to Once Upon a Child. I prefer Once Upon a Child versus, you know, the other thrift store, because you get brand new stuff. And I got her, let me stand up for this. Okay, this is the chair that I got her from Once Upon a Child. It was $25 for this chair, and it has music right here that you can do, and yeah. Then I got her this bob hit. It was $12, and if you turn it over, it has that other soft thing on the other side, and it comes with two other covers. So let me show you guys those covers. So you have that cover, which I probably won't use, but it was included in the price. And then you have this color, this other one that I probably won't use. So the price was $12, Bobby, with 3 covers. So that's that. Okay, so the next set of items are blankets. So I got her this pink blanket with a little bit of, I think these are, I don't know what these are, but they're like sparkly little things inside. And this was $5.50. And then I got her this cream colored one, also $5.50. And I know at TJ Maxx I think they run the same price. And then I got her this little shawl or throw, because she's going to be born in the winter time. So I got her this, and it comes with the little hoodie. And this one was $5.50, so it's not bad. So that's what I got her. Okay, so this next set right here is these little booties. They're like socks. So this one is a black and white polka dot with purple, and it comes with a little headband right there, and this was $3.50. And then I couldn't resist, I got her the red ones, and this one was $3.50 as well. And then these silver one with sparkles, this was $3.50 as well. Then I got her a brand new Bobby cover, because yeah, and this was $3.50 for that. And then I saw this little bib and I couldn't pass it up. It says, "Are these people really my relatives?" And it was only $1, so I had to get it. Okay, so these next sets are just onesies, and these are in the sizes, these are sizes 3 to 6 months, I believe. And let's start with this one. This one was $4.50, and it comes with 3. So you have this blue one, this polka dot one, and this little flower one. And that was not a bad buy for that. And then over here, these are, I believe, 5 packs. And it comes with this purple one right here. And this was $5.50. And you have this purple polka dotted one, this green one, pink one, and this little teddy bear. So, not a bad buy. And then this next set right here. Okay, this next set was $3.50, and it has this one that says Mommy's Little Girl, another monkey, and a yellow one. The next set is the same price. It says Little Wild One, a giraffe, and a polka dot one that says love the little things. Sun is setting and I'm running out of time on this camera, and I'm sorry this video was all over the place. It was a bit frustrating because I lost the voicing for the other ones, and it's just been a crazy. My camera, my phone, because I record on my phone, is messing up. iMovie's not working so much, so my videos, I'm not able to spit out videos. First it was me being sick, now it's not having a quality camera. I am going to invest in the Canon G7X, but that's something I have to save up for because that's a big chunk of money to just drop on a camera, and to be preparing for a baby as well. So thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned for this video, because actually watching this video, because it's all over the place and I'm usually not like that. My sun is going down and lighting is bad in this house, so I just wanted to give you guys something to watch until I can figure out my camera situation. So I will see you guys in my next update, which is 25 or 26 and 27, because I will be 27 weeks on Monday. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I know I'm gone. Bye.